God dang. That thing is cooked. Yeah, I just took every bolt that I had in my toolbox in my garage. I said, yo, we gonna get this shit done. But yeah, this rain is absolutely absurd. Absolutely absurd. Am I in your way or anything? It does not come with hardware bolts. So we are going to have to figure that part out. Anything you want to say extra? Yeah, he's done. He's done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever it is, wherever you are, welcome back to another video. Man, I miss this car. I miss this car. I am just now getting back from Japan. I was there almost 2 weeks. Feels good to be back home. I love Japan to death, but it feels good to be back home. The craziness that I've grown comfortable in back in the M3. But however, as you guys saw from the title and the thumbnail, we're doing some more installs. I couldn't be more excited. A couple days ago was my birthday, May 23rd. So I decided to go outside and get me a little birthday present to myself. It is a carbon fiber diffuser, and we will get more into that later. But I also have some more bits that I'm going to be installing as well. So I couldn't be more excited. I'm ready to get into it. So with that being said, let's head over to Narautoworks and let's get this stuff done and give Alan some gifts that we got him from Japan. My back. Knock, knock. What's up, buddy? Long time no see, little dude.
New shoes and everything. Yeah.
New shoes. These are old shoes. Long time no see, man.
You look new to me.
Hell no. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Yo.
So Japanese.
What's going on? So I come back after 2 weeks thinking that there was going to be a lot of change with this. And look at this malnourished car right here. We got to talk about this, Alan. I guess they like the E92. Am I in your way or anything?
No, we're just admiring your car.
Yeah, that's mine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
M3.
Yes, sir.
Dang, it's so clean.
Oh,
What
thank
year
you.
is that?
2012.
2012.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, it's getting there.
How much horsepower you got right now?
Like 450.
450.
I think that's what they come with, but
Exactly.
give or take a few.
But I like it. It's so fucking.
Yeah, no, I'm asking my dad, like, did he do something to it? Because it looks different.
Yeah, there's a couple
Yeah,
things
he-
done.
Yeah, I know he got
Mostly cosmetic.
Paint factory?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah,
Wow.
he's painting everything.
Oh, yeah. Definitely factory paint.
So fucking clean, bro.
It's getting there, man.
Very nice car.
Yeah, my wheels are dirty as hell,
No,
but
it's okay. It's okay. Look at the paint.
Yeah, that's why I was like,
215. Dang.
yeah, it's getting there, man. I try.
It's nice. Nice right.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a
Yeah,
couple
nice
cosmetic
toy.
things done. Exhaust. Yeah, and then I got some new things I'm adding to it. So I'm doing the install over there at Alan's shop. But yeah,
Clean car, bro.
thank you, man. I appreciate it. Hell yeah.
Nice to meet you, Bobby.
Nice to meet you as well. I'm Jamal.
Andres.
And
Tiara.
see,
Michael.
fair enough.
No, but it's definitely cool.
Thank you so much.
So brown.
Thank you. So speaking of clean, it's the exact opposite in here, but this is the diffuser I will be installing today. This is honestly what I can say is probably the best Facebook Marketplace find I found in a long time. I will be completely transparent. I got this off of a guy off the Marketplace for pennies on the dollar in comparison to what these are brand new, and I couldn't be more excited. This is definitely something that you're probably not gonna see. I hope that you can. I don't think that it's gonna be extremely obvious about the diffuser, but hopefully you can. I think that will basically complete the entire under panel of this car. And then next would be carbon fenders or trunk, and then I wanna get like a Voltex wing. But yeah, let's go ahead and start this thing. So, because this is a Marketplace find, it does not come with hardware bolts. So we are going to have to figure that part out. But either way, It's all good. You get what you pay for, I guess. I brought all of the spare bolts that I had in my garage, which are a lot, and we're gonna see if we can go ahead and get this figured out. But it's definitely gonna be a little bit of a project, but I mean, that's what this channel's for, right? So I also stopped by my boy, Justin, at Race German and picked up some extended lugs for the E92, which I couldn't be happier to get these on too. And then we got some extra parts for Alan's E36 M3 that I picked up for him while I was there. I wanted to give him a chance to see kind of like somewhat of the inventory that they had. And these are some goodies that he had picked out, which is pretty cool. Alcantara E36 shift boot. We got the hood lever to go ahead and open it, but this is like billet aluminum done over in black. And then we got two USB-C ports that basically are converted. I did this in the E36 as well. Look at this guy. Take all your shit.
Yo,
that's what you wanted. What happened?
I'm gonna have the E90 back.
When was it gone?
That's Lore's car.
What?
BSI.
Really?
Yeah.
When did she get that?
It came out from Puerto Rico last week, and it got now.
Oh,
Today.
she shipped it.
Yeah. That's
Oh.
a daily in Puerto Rico.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, so she's definitely coming with us now.
No, exactly.
Wow. Lauren, if you are watching this, oh, it's not open. Hell yeah. Good for you, girl. I didn't know that you had a car over there. I thought that you were looking for a new one over here, but no, you balling over there. You go, girl. You go, girl. And this Supra is pretty tough too. I don't know whose this is, where this is from, but definitely something that I want to get next on the list. But sheesh, man. Tough, 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 tough. What else did you get?
Bro, you bought a lot of shit.
No, I had a lot of shit.
That you have.
Yeah, I just took every bolt that I had in my toolbox in my garage. I said, yo, we gonna get this shit done. If we have time. If not, then I'll...
That's easy.
No, I know, but...
Once it's on the air.
Yeah, I know.
4 out, put 4, that's it.
God dang. That thing is cooked. All right, so issue number 1.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
As we just started this video.
Shave over.
Yeah, so this part on the exhaust right here is already touching this bracket. Now, obviously, this is the aftermarket exhaust. Thanks, Toby. So what we're gonna have to do right here is essentially just shave right here on both sides. What's up, my guy?
Hanging out. Yeah. Trying to get not reported.
He hates being on camera. You got warrants or something? What's up, bro?
Like, shit. That shit is, they already got me.
Yeah, so basically we have to do a little bit of shaving, and it's probably going to be a lot of bit of shaving, but no worries. We'll get it mounted and we'll get it on. Of course, it wouldn't be Florida without the torrential downpour. Literally half an hour later, and we're in a hurry. What is this? But we're making a lot of progress on here. Super excited. Can't wait to see how. Can't wait to see how it turns out. But yeah, this rain is absolutely absurd. Absolutely absurd. So big status update. Basically have almost everything bolted in. Got a nice little drizzle going on outside, but everything is essentially bolted in. And this is the Boris style diffuser. So we have an air duct right here going through so that you can get air to the exhaust. And obviously the air will travel out through here. And got a little bit of aerodynamics going on. So I just finished putting in the exhaust tips back. And next on the list, after we finish bolting this up, is the wheel studs. So we'll move on to that next. But yeah, it's coming along pretty nice. Sorry, I forgot to add. So we're also going to do somewhat of a bracket here, just to make sure that this portion right here sits the way that it's supposed to sit. It's most likely going to be an L bracket. I think that's kind of what they're setting up right now. So get that L bracket in there, have that mounted firmly to the chassis, and we're good. And Alan already started jumping
with the lug nuts, bro.
on the lug nuts, man. He was like, oh yeah, you're distracted. I'm like, bro, what do you want from me? Oh, you need both of the rears.
Yeah.
Tough. So we're getting those in. Super excited. It came out absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the ground. Still have some shaving to do with those parts, like I said, but for the most part, everything's coming together pretty nicely. Do that final shave, final part, and then we're good to go. All right, so he doesn't know it yet, but I got a surprise for him when I was out there in Japan. Ain't nobody here, so I can finally give you what I got you.
What you got me?
So, all right, so this right here was from Up Garage.
No way.
Read
A fucking glove.
All right.
Blue. Give me your paw.
And this right here is a receipt from Up
Oh
Garage.
gosh.
Right. And then this right here we got from another store that I thought you would like it
That's
too.
a shirt with all the gens of the Civic.
Yeah.
Yo.
So I got it in a large.
EF.
It's all of them, but I think they're all the SIs.
Shit.
Yep, straight from Japan.
No, I like it.
Of course, my
bro.
guy. Of course.
Thanks a lot.
Of course.
Bro, I'm
Of
gonna
course.
be using it every day.
All right, so for those of you guys watching, it's essentially a shirt with all of the different SI models that they have, all the different gens that they have. This is essentially what it would look like. And we got that out there in Japan for him. So he can either put it on his wall or he can or he can wear it, whatever he wants to do. And then we got him a little glove that just says mechanics. That way he can always remember. And then got the receipt from Up Garage, so he can keep that too. All right, so I know that it can't really show pretty well, but from this perspective, bro, it looks so good. Definitely. I know it's very, very hard to see because it's at night. We're gonna get Alan's opinion. To me, that completely makes everything fit perfectly.
Bro,
Get Alan's opinion. What do you think?
looks perfect.
Yeah.
It looks flat.
Yeah,
Doesn't look wobbly or saggy.
at all. And especially all the like the mounts and the mounting that you guys did.
Yeah.
Bro, to not have any hardware.
Basically. Yeah, we don't have.
No, we didn't have any hardware.
No.
We had like the nuts and bolts that I had brought, which I don't even think we used.
Didn't work.
Yeah. So to not have any hardware at all, to put everything essentially together just from what you guys had in the shop, like that's crazy. And then
For not being a body shop.
yeah, that's hilarious. For not being a body shop at all, look at what they did. And honestly, it really didn't take that long. It really didn't take that long. And we did the extended lug conversion at the same time. And that didn't take any more than literally 5 minutes. So I'm super happy. So what do you think? What would you rate this install?
Fucking piece of shit. It's kind of hard, but it's
Was
trying to
it
figure
hard
out
or
the
was
mounts.
it time consuming?
Time consuming, not too much. The only problem is looking for mounts.
So this was more difficult than time consuming.
Yeah.
Okay, got you. And that's because, like I said, a lot of these things that I have here were not meant to go along with other parts. They're meant to be one, but we kind of did like a one of one thing. So we definitely made it work. This is a Varis style diffuser. And then we have like the side skirts on the side too. But yeah, this is it, man. I'm so glad that this is definitely nearing its completion phase. I think the only thing that's left to do is wheels, maybe a wing, carbon fenders, and a lot more. What do you think? This guy hates to be on camera. He got warrants in New York.
Yeah, I got warrants all over.
Born and raised in Florida, but got warrants in New York. What do you think? Talk to me.
Looks good. I like it. I think maybe you can fill in the gap here a little bit.
Okay. Oh yeah, for sure. So eventually I'm gonna have to order another diffuser that goes back. Yeah. But I'll take off all that stuff and redo all that stuff when that part comes in.
Other than that, bro, she looks solid.
Yeah.
And I mean, taking into consideration the time and everything, I mean, I think it looks fucking amazing.
Yeah. Considering this came with no hardware at all.
No, nothing.
So the fact that everybody was
Hello.
able to knock that out the way that they did,
See,
that's what I was
did
saying.
Yeah, no, she looks good, bro.
These guys are the truth over here, man. All right,
Bro.
guys. Well, I'm gonna close this video out here. Anything you want to say extra? Yeah, he's done. He's done.
Yeah, I'm done.
All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. And like I always say, I know you guys can hear the music in the background. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
No baggage, I'm boarding the plane. Leaving everything bad in the rearview and taking whatever remains. Whatever been good for my spirit, the rest I've been setting ablaze. Burning it down to the ground, I started refreshing the page. Till I rest in the grave, I'm making a mark and etching my name. I get it, you feeling the way, but when you try throwing your shade, we throwing grenades.